In this video, we are going to see the meaning, usage with examples for the words justify, clarify, verify, simplify, specify, modify, rectify. After watching this video, you will be able to form sentences using these words confidently. So, watch till the end. Let's start. Justify, to show or prove that something is right, reasonable, or valid. Example, he tried to justify his decision with strong arguments. Clarify, to make something clear or easier to understand by giving more details or an explanation. Example, the teacher clarified the confusing instructions. Verify, to check or confirm the accuracy or truth of something. Example, can you verify the data before submitting the report? Simplify, to make something easier to understand or less complicated. Example, the instructions were simplified for beginners. Specify, to state or identify something in detail or clearly. Example, he didn't specify the time for the meeting. Modify, to make small changes to something in order to improve it or make it more suitable. Example, she modified her diet to include more vegetables. Rectify, to correct something or make it right. Example, the company quickly rectified the error in the order. Don't forget to subscribe to learn new words daily.